English Listening Test for Kids, Level 1, Test 20. 1.
Where is the plant?
It is by the table.
Where is the plant?
It is by the table. 2.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is candy.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is candy. 3.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is she?
She is my sister. 4.
Where is the boy?
He is in the bedroom.
Where is the boy?
He is in the bedroom. 5.
What does he do?
He is a doctor.
What does he do?
He is a doctor. 6.
When is your birthday?
It is in October.
When is your birthday?
It is in October. 7.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate yogurt.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate yogurt. 8.
What does she do?
She is a pilot.
What does she do?
She is a pilot. 9.
What do you do on Wednesdays?
I go to guitar lessons on Wednesdays.
What do you do on Wednesdays?
I go to guitar lessons on Wednesdays. 10.
What animal do you dislike?
I dislike cockroaches.
What animal do you dislike?
I dislike cockroaches.